Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete your Hotmail inbox all at once. Deleting your inbox at once is a time-saving technique, especially if you have accumulated a large number of emails. It is a quick way to declutter and start fresh. For those who use their email for work or personal projects, a clean inbox helps in better organization. First of all, open your web browser. Open outlook.live.com in your browser. Open the inbox from the left sidebar menu. Click on the three lines on the right side of the inbox. Open the message and click on Delete on the top left side. Click on Delete. Tap on OK and delete the conversation. You can also select Delete All to delete all the messages. That is how you can delete all the messages at once. You can also hide the ads if you want to go ad-free. Click on Deleted Items from the left bar menu. Your deleted conversations are shown here. You can delete them from here as well by clicking on the Delete button. If you want to delete the conversations permanently, tap on OK. Click on Inbox and see it empty, and then you're all done for the day. Enjoy your empty inbox. That is how you can delete Hotmail inbox all at once. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.